Hello, Tom Zarinskas in my American English accent. I'm going to read a Panphone called Winter, which is written in True Spell Phonetics, and it shows all 40 U.S. English phonemes for practice in saying them. It's a 30-word phoneme. Here's some information there, and you can scroll down and freeze to read anything. And here is the phonetics. Winter brought a deep rouge to people's cheeks when they ventured outside. Snow fell, unspoiled by rain, where hard, thin ice formed. And yes, I should adjust and get warm. And there are 23 consonants, 17 vowels. They are listed below. Here are the single ones, and there are a few double ones. A double consonant indicates a stressed vowel other than the default first vowel is stressed in the word. And here are the vowels. I'll scroll down. You can freeze to see these. And there is analysis below. And there were 68 total consonants. 2 of them were doubled, indicating stress on less other than the first word. 35% were vowels and 65% were consonants. And there is further analysis. So thank you very much for bearing with me on this wonderful Panphone called Winter. It's good practice, and it has all sounds of the U.S. English language.